we've found 700 autism genes.
Right, there's a
we
lot
have
of genes.
absolutely found the genes that underpin autism, for sure. We absolutely have. The point is, it's a complex soup. There is a lot of things going on. It's not just toxins. And we can regulate those genes. But what's so exciting about this is that we can do it naturally. They don't need drugs. All of this can be figured out. So, I try and liken it to a fire. This is an analogy I use. The house is on fire. These kids are very, very inflamed, and they're actually born inflamed. We can see that when we do their genomics. They're actually overexpressing inflammation genes. That's these variants. They're carrying these variants through no fault of their own. It's just the hand they were dealt. Mm-hmm. And they're already at birth highly inflamed. Their brain is already on fire. And then we go and basically assault them with a whole bunch of new environmental assaults from birth. And it just fuels the fire, if that makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not their fault. It's just the way it is. And so what we want to do first is turn down those inflammation genes. That's the very first thing we want to start with, is down-regulating those inflammation genes. And we can do that with food and supplements. And it's very successful. It's very quick. And when you put out the fire, magical things start to happen. Then we can start dealing with all of the other things, because there are hundreds and hundreds of things. You are 100% correct. There is no one autism gene, and that's been a misnomer for a really long time, and it's a silly way of looking at it. There are hundreds and hundreds of things. Lots and lots of pathways are affected. So inflammation pathway, detoxification pathway, mitochondrial pathways, oxidative stress pathways, neurotransmitter pathways. There's so much going on. Yeah. And a lot of people have heard of the methylation pathway. It's just one of the many, many, many pathways. So, there are pathways around cognition. There are pathways around speech. There's so many things that we need to deal with. And the main thing is that we need to do it in the right order. You can't come at it from the wrong order.